Okay, so you just downloaded Filmora Mobile on your phone. But what now? How do you even use Filmora Mobile? Well, luckily for you, if you stumbled across this video, this is going to be everything you need to know while getting started in Filmora Mobile. Now, this is going to be a very basic tutorial of simply how to put in videos and files and cut and trim and basically all of the basic stuff to get you started. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So obviously, firstly, what you want to do is open the Filmora app on your phone. Probably just going to put the screen recording here. And then it will take you to this page right here. Now here is obviously a bunch of different things you can do. You can do image to video or a reel or text to video. But we are simply just going to do new project. Now then it's going to simply take you to your own camera roll. So let's just add some of these random videos and maybe even photos. Let's just put these in and say import. Okay, so once your videos are imported and into Filmora, now if you want to cut or trim these videos, it is very simple. Simply press on the clip and here at the side you can simply slide to make it shorter or to make it longer. If you want to cut it in half, here at the bottom there is a bunch of options. You can just press there and it will have cut it in half. Now that is basically the simplest thing. Or if you press it, there will also be a little trash can if you want to completely get rid of that clip. Now, once here at the bottom you've done your trimming and your cutting and everything like that, then there is an audio page right here. Now here you can add music or sound effects or record or AI audio. So if you go to sound effects, there is thousands of different sound effects Filmora has to offer. So let's just say you want to put in this one and just say plus. And now that sound effect will be there under your clip. Now this you can also just hold and you can drag it around wherever you would like to put it in your timeline. Okay, so now that you have your audio, let's move to text. Now here you can do AI captions, which is pretty cool, which literally makes captions if you talk in the video with AI for you. Now for this video I'm not talking at all, so that is not necessary, but that is a very cool option. But then you can simply press on add text and then you can simply say anything you want. Okay, and now simply as same as the sound effect, you can drag around, you can make it longer or shorter. You can do the style, you can change the style of your text, you can do the color, the size, the font, there's templates, there's so many things that Filmora has to offer, but I'm quickly just going to run through it so you can get a general idea of how to use Filmora Mobile. Now, once you have done, you got your styles, you got your font, you got your text, then you can simply go and then there is a sticker. Now this is just simply, as the name implies, there is a bunch of stickers you can also add in your videos. Now then you have PIP, which basically just means importing some other footage that you want to add in your video. Then the effects tab is something that is pretty cool to me. It's basically like cool effects you can put in your videos, like cool opens or opening and closing, cinematic, lens, motion, glitch, vlog, audio effects, retro, energy, nature. There is so many effects when it comes to these Filmora, but all of this you can put into your video. Like there is vertical opens, there is cinematic borders, there are blurs, there are shakes, there are so many things to really elevate your video. Now I'm running through this very quickly because there is so much things to discuss about Filmora Mobile, but this is just there to give you a general idea of how to use this. Now when we scroll further down here, there will be an adjust. So this is literally your color grading and adjusting. And then there is also the format, so then you can change your video into literally any format that you want. You can do Instagram, you can do 16:9, you can do vertical. I mean, there is so many different ones you can choose from. If we scroll a bit further, then there is background. Now this basically means like if you want to blur your background or you want to put other color in the background, simple as that. And then a watermark is something you can simply put in your video if you want people to know that that is your video and your video alone. And yeah, that basically covers all of these effects you can do under here. Now, if you press on any of them, there is a bunch of more options that you can choose from, but this is simply just running through all of them and showing you exactly how to use them. So yeah, Filmora is probably one of the best editing softwares on your phone. And I mean, I just ran through a few of them, but as you guys can see, there is so much stuff you can do in this editor. So yeah, that was a very brief overview of everything you can do in Filmora Mobile. Now I know it's very fast and I just ran few things, but this video is really there for if you just downloaded it and you have no idea what's going on. I really hope this video helps. If you want any further advice, my channel is all about Filmora and how to edit on it. So go check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.